Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. We can give the Tcode as a license, SAICENSE, and from here we can see the SAP license information. We can see that this SAP system license is going to expire on 31st December 9999. So this SAP IDES has lifetime validity. So in this way we can give the Tcode as a license and get the license information of the SAP system. You can contact me for installing SAP IDES ECC6 and SAP S4 HANA on your PC or server or network or cloud, or set up your own SAP server on internet. It will have the master data, lifetime validity, year 9999 with above developer key and FIORI in it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.